Charles has issued a special marine warning for waters from lower Atchafalaya River to Intracoastal City, Louisiana from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near South Marsh Island 78, or 59 nautical miles southwest of Point Offer Island, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Intact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Eugene Island 224, Eugene Island 258, South Marsh Island 78, Eugene Island 215, Eugene Island 259, Eugene Island 238, Eugene Island 275, Eugene Island 243, Eugene Island 212, Eugene Island 206, Eugene Island 217, Eugene Island 208, Ship Show 198, Eugene Island 261, Eugene Island 184, Eugene Island 273, Eugene Island 240, Eugene Island 251, Eugene Island 252,
They're gonna hit the limit.
Eugene Island 182. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.